Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo phrase of the day. So today's Navajo phrase is going to be how to say blow your nose in Navajo. And the only reason I chose this phrase is because, honestly, there's no standard way of saying this. Wherever I've been on the reservation and I've worked at different parts of the reservation, there's always a different way to say it. So here are 4 ways you can say blow your nose in Navajo. The first way to say it is Niné'éshti hantłeeh. Niné'éshti hantłeeh. Niné'éshti means like your boogers or your snot. Hantłeeh describes you removing something mushy like mud or like clay or frosting. Something that's mushy, really wet dough or like pancake batter. That would be like hantłeeh. Things that are creamy like lotions would be hantłeeh, or mustard or ketchup, that sort of thing, hantłeeh. And it describes you removing it or scooping it out, hantłeeh. So one way to say blow your nose in Navajo is Niné'éshti hantłeeh. Niné'éshti hantłeeh. Another way you can say blow your nose is Niné'éshti hanyeeh. Niné'éshti hanyeeh. And hanyeeh describes you carrying out something that's not really compact or not really solid, like blankets or like towels or clothes or sheets. That's like you're physically carrying them out, hanyeeh. Hanyeeh. And I guess since your boogers or your snot is really not really compact or solid, it would work for that. Niné'éshti hanyeeh. Another way you can say it in Navajo is Nichí, niłdééh. Nichí, niłdééh basically means like wipe your nose. Nichí, niłdééh, wipe your nose. The last way you can say it is basically, I think I mainly hear my relatives in the Nichí area say it's diní. Diní, which means, literally means say he. Because to make that noise you have to like push from the back of your nose. He. So to say blow your nose, you can say, we say in Nichí area, diní. And when I was working in Gallup one time, somebody heard me and they were like, another way you can say it is shxi diní. And that's how they say it in Gallup area. So my challenge, go to one of your relatives that speaks Navajo and ask them how they say blow your nose, to see if they say Niné'éshti hanyeeh or Niné'éshti hantłeeh or Nichí, niłdééh or diní or shxi diní. If it's one of those 4 ways or if it's another way entirely, let me know. So this video essentially was to show you that there is really no one way to say things in Navajo. There's many different ways, and I'm kind of curious to see how else other people say blow your nose. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good evening.